Alright, yeah, welcome back again. And this point, I want to look at correlation with scatter plots. We have looked at different kinds of scatter plots, both simple one and advanced ones. And sometimes you may want to see the report, statistic report of your scatter plot sometimes, such as your R and your p-value alongside with your scatter plot. How the two data continuous variable are related. Okay, so you may want to see the result at the same time while you are plotting the scatter plot. So you want to show the line, correlation line, at the same time you want to see the result. So we are still using about the same variable as we use previous, not change it. So see the same data set and still the same thing we have done so far under our scatter plot. So just continue from where we stopped. Right, so all this already been done, assigned before, so don't need to do that afresh. So already assigned before, so just say now we want to report statistics alongside with our data plot. So we also want to display correlation together with it. So we want to first install this package called SMP SMPlots 2. So to do that, you just install first tidyverse. Some of you already have that. DevTools, GG halves. Don't have that, you can install. But if you already have that, you can just install this one only and this and remove this. So, but it's good to install together. So now you can now call this line, right? Call this line, and to install for you this is MPT. So now when you install, you can do the library here, which I have now loaded because I've already installed. Now here you can run your ggplot. Okay, this is ggplot here, right? Then your this is a data set, rather data set. Then this is our usual aesthetic. Okay, v length, body mass, right? Or geopoint is usual. So we want to color by species. I increase size to 3. So, but and in addition to that, I want to place this is where we got this particular library. Is where we got this SM start correlation from. So to give us the correlation of this in R, so and also it also give us the p-value at the same time. So we want to know how correlated the two our body mass, body length, b length, and the body mass, how they are correlated. We want to know. So you can change this, okay, to know which one is highly correlated with this tool. So we can change it. Maybe you want to look at the body mass and the which other one, the length. You can describe your. Let's glimpse again our so that I can know what you have there in green. So we have a flipper length. Okay, yeah, you can do flipper length together with body mass and see which one is highly correlated. So you can try this once while we do this. So let's try and run this first. Let's run this first. So if we run this, we have this. Okay, we have our R is 0.6. We have our p-value is 0.01. Okay, less than 0.01. So this is highly correlated. So you can zoom it out and see here. You can see, so you can actually take this and put directly your thesis or manuscript. Okay, so this is very good. So you can now change the title and here and here, so or put title on top of it as usual. That one is a very simple thing to do for you. You can do that by using main and the x and y, s width and y width. So that is not a problem. You have done that before. All right. So, but in addition, you can also change this. For example, if I change this now, maybe flipper length now. I want to use flipper length in place of v length. So I just change this one here. So to see which one maybe probably with body mass. So if I run this again, this will change. You can see now this one is highly correlated. Can you see? It's 7%. That one is just 60%. And this one is 7%. You can see. Okay, so that is what I'm saying. You can see this one more perfectly correlated than even the V length. All right, this is 87% now. Okay, 0.87 R. You can see. So you can change other ones also and see which one is more correlated, then you can present it and explain it. You can explain it here. Though I remove legend, you can include legend. So and put legend there so that you can be able to describe the data properly. All right, for proper interpretation. So that is that on how to view. There are many ways to do that. Actually, you can use Corel for test. That one will only show you the correlation coefficient here. So, but it do not give you the value. Okay, you have to filter out from it. Okay, so but you can see the chart at the same time with the report together. So that is that for today. We will continue from there in the next class. Thank you so much.